In this, how to get Game Pass link in Roblox. So this is the easy method. Go to roblox.com/home. After that, you need to click the create, and this menu will appear. In this, you can see the creation is in the left side, the left top. Click the creation, and in this, wait for a couple of seconds and go to the game. You have the Game Pass. Select the game. Click it, and once you click this, this will appear menu. In this, you need to go for monetization, which is on the left side. The fourth settings monetization is there. You need to click it, and once you click this, the process will appear. Click the process settings. In this, scroll down, and you have the process out there. So in this right side, you have a three dot icon is there. You need to click it, and after that, the copy pass ID is there. You need to click that icon. Once you click this, it will copy the passes, or else you can click and copy the pass ID, or else you can go to the top of the screen and copy the link also, and you can use link also. These are the three types to copy. You can use it the link, or else you use the copy the pass ID, and you can do it. So after that, you need to come back, and you can use as the pass in where you need to use. So this is how to get the process I game was in Roblox. So thank you.